Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, Curry Lentil Soup. Let's cook. Alright, so we got our olive oil in the pan, we got some onions. And garlic. I'm going to saute this for a couple minutes. Then we're going to add our celery. And our carrots. Okay, so now we're going to add some cumin, curry powder, and some turmeric. Kitchen is already smelling wonderful. Okay, now we're going to add some water. Along with our lentils. Lentils in there. Sweet potatoes. Alright, so now we're going to add some red pepper flakes. Diced tomatoes, and some better than bouillon. This is the roasted chicken. Bring this to a boil. Okay, so we're going to bring this to a boil and let this cook for about a half an hour. Alright, so let's just keep stirring this. We added some bay leaves. Here we go. My boy Peter's favorite seasoning. And we just stir this up. Wow, this is going to be really good. Kitchen has got that wonderful curry smell. Alright, here we go. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at those meaty vegetables in there. Alright. Our world famous foods, Curry Lentil Soup. It's time to plate and enjoy. Look at that. Okay, folks, here's our Curry Lentil Soup. Look at this. We got some bagel crisp to go with it right here. We're gonna enjoy this. World famous foods.